special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather... A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:45 p.m. for eastern Kankakee and Iroquois counties. At 10:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Grant Park to near Martinton to near Sheldon to contested, windy at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Mantino, Watseka, Momence, Milford, Grand Park, St. Anne, Sheldon, Cessna Park, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Martinton, Stockland, Crescent City, Sun River Terrace, Beaverville, Woodland, Donovan, Salmons Point, Wellington, Papineau, Iroquois, and Claytonville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, nearshore waters from Burns Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 9:59 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Waukegan Harbor to near Wilmette Harbor to near Montrose Harbor to 16 nautical miles south of Joliet, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. A special marine warning remains in effect until 11 p.m.
Get interrupted.
For the following areas,
that's really weird.
nearshore waters